India movement. Quit India movement is one of the most significant moments in the history of Indian freedom struggle. Quit India movement, also known as August movement, was a movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi on the 8th of August 1942 during the Second World War. It was a civil disobedience movement began with Mahatma Gandhi's call for immediate self-rule by Indians. He drafted a resolution calling for the British to quit India. The Quit India resolution was passed at the Mumbai session of All India Congress Committee on August 8, 1942. Mahatma Gandhi gave his famous Do or Die Quit India speech at the Govaliya Tank Maidan in the Bombay after passing of the Quit India resolution. Following Mahatma Gandhi's speech, the AICC launched a mass protest. The movement demanded the British to leave India immediately and transfer their power to Indian National Congress. The British, however, refused to grant immediate independence and said that it could only be granted after the end of World War II. The British responded to the Quit India movement by imprisoning almost the entire INC leaders, including Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Sardar Patel, without a trial. With the arrest of the main leaders, the Quit India movement turned violent with widespread acts of sabotage. The Quit India movement united the Indian people against British rule. Upon Gandhiji's release in 1944, he continued his resistance and went on a 21-day fast. By the end of the Second World War, British realized the demand for independence could no longer be ignored. This year, India celebrates its 78th anniversary of the Quit India movement. Quit India Movement Day is celebrated to mark the moments which boosted the freedom struggle in India. On this day, the leaders of the country pay tribute to the freedom fighters who sacrificed themselves for the freedom of the nation. Respectful homage is paid to all martyrs and those who suffered untold sufferings during the freedom struggle in the country. Thank you.